Hello everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the tutorial video of how to delete your Midjourney account. So if you are unknown about how to delete your Midjourney account, this video is for you. To get started, open your Midjourney website or link. Here I'm already into the Midjourney. So before deleting your Midjourney account, make sure you have kicked out all the bots from the Discord server. So you will be seeing this type of interface on your screen if you are in the Midjourney. So once you are there, you can see at the top left corner Midjourney. You can also see one kind of logo written there or given there in the Midjourney. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see many options. So among them, scroll down or swipe down and click on the Leave server in order to delete your Midjourney account. Doing that will be deleting your Midjourney account and all the information from your Midjourney. So if you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. We'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.